Hello, welcome to our channel. As we had mentioned in our earlier video, this video is on Scratch. We are planning to make a 3 video series on Scratch and if possible even more. This is the first video in the series and this is going to be an introduction. Scratch is developed by MIT. In Scratch, you can create interactive stories, games and animations. The editor for Scratch is available both online and offline. The link for the download of Scratch is given in the description and you can access the online editor with the same link. What we are going to use in our videos will either be Scratch 2 or Scratch 3 offline editor, but there is not much difference between the two except the layout and some minor updates and bug fixes maybe.
To download Scratch, search scratch.mit.edu. Now scroll down, click on download. Now click on direct download, or you can even get it from the Microsoft Store. Now as you can see, the download starts here. After the download is complete, click on open when done and you have installed Scratch on your computer.
Scratch, as it turns out, is not a text-based language but a graphical one where pieces of codes look like puzzles which you can drag and drop. So we'll start with this guy here. This is Scratch, the default cat that comes with this programming language. In Scratch you have three main areas. Because it is also web-based, you can do this on any computer, but here we are using the offline editor. On the left side here are the puzzle pieces that I mentioned earlier. These puzzle pieces are all functions or loops or conditions, etc. So we can drag and drop these in the middle in order to interconnect them and write a program. Meanwhile, the cat lives in this stage, this world where he can move or talk something. You can change what the cat looks like. You can add other characters, which are otherwise known as sprites, in order to have multiple things happening at once. And of course, you can full screen your animation, game, or whatever. When we go down to, for example, events, we are going to see one of the most powerful blocks, which is this, when green flag clicked. So this puzzle piece tells Scratch what to do when this green button is clicked. You can add codes below the piece and they'll get executed when I click the green flag. And now let me go to looks. And these are just different categories. We can scroll through all the different colorful blocks, but they pretty much just do what they say. So we will not tell about all the blocks. You can explore them on your own, but we will tell you about some of the most used and important ones. Now, I'm going to under looks, where there is a block called say, and I'm going to go ahead and type nice to meet you here. And when I click on the green flag, it says, well, nice to meet you. So, how can I make this more interesting? Okay, so let me undo this and let me scroll down to sensing and notice this. Functions can also take inputs. So this block, by default, it says, what's your name? And waits. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag this here and I'm gonna let it say, what's your name? So now there is a special block below this block which is answer. So answer is a block which will hold the answer that the human types in, which in this case is his name. Now let us go to looks and grab this say hello block. And now let us go to operators where you will find a block which says join apple and banana. Apple and banana are just default values and I can change them. So let me take this block here and put it in place of hello. I'll first type nice to meet you with a comma in place of apple, and let us again go back to sensing and drag answer here. Okay, so now when I click on the green flag, this will first ask my name. I'll type Mr. Coder here, and now when I click on enter or on this tick mark, it will say nice to meet you, Mr. Coder. Now I'll delete all this and go to a category called sound, and I'll drag and drop this block called start sound meow here. And when I click on the green flag, you can hear the sound meow. Now let me go to control and take this block which helps us to repeat something a certain number of times. So let me put the play sound meow block here and type 3 here. So this will repeat this sound 3 times. But when I click on the green flag, I hear meow only once. This is because the computer plays these 3 sounds in such quick succession that our ear perceives it as only one sound. So instead of this play sound meow block, I'll take another block called play sound meow until done. Now I will click on the green flag. Good. Now there is a block in the control section called wait for 1 second. If we insert it here, this happens when I click on the green flag. It waits 1 second after each meow. There are many other blocks in Scratch, and we'll talk about some more of them in the second part of this video, which we will upload on next Sunday, that is the 29th of November.
Thank you everyone for watching our video. If you have any suggestions for us, please leave those in the comment section. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you found this content useful, then please share it with your friends and family. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.